What if your AI already knew your entire business? Every file, every email, every active project, before you said a single word. No briefing required, no re-uploading old documents, no explaining the same client history for the 15th time this month. That is exactly what Google just made real with Gemini Workspace Intelligence, and if your business already runs on Gmail and Drive, pay attention. This matters more than most AI updates this year. My name is Paul. I cover free and low-cost AI tools for people building real service businesses. Freelancers, consultants, solo operators, small agency owners, that is exactly who this channel is built for. And I will be honest with you, this one earned its own video the moment I understood what it actually does. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's the thing most people never stop to think about. Every time you switch between apps while working with AI, you pay a tax. Not a money tax, a context tax. You finish drafting a proposal in Docs, you open a new chat window, and now you are explaining your entire business from scratch again. The client's name, the scope they approved, the budget figure buried in an email from 3 weeks back, that is a 10-minute detour you run 5 times a day. That adds up to close to an hour of lost time just moving context around. And the frustrating part is that the information already exists. It is sitting in your Drive, it is in your Gmail, you just have to keep explaining it manually because your tools do not talk to each other. Most of us have accepted this because it is just how AI tools have worked. You brief it, you get output, you brief it again tomorrow. Google just decided that cycle is done. Gemini Workspace Intelligence is their answer to the context problem. Instead of living in a single chat window, Gemini now threads itself across your entire ecosystem. Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, all of it connected, all of it feeding into one shared intelligence layer that already knows your business. Here is where things get wild. This is not a smarter chatbot dropped on top of Drive. This is a fundamentally different architecture underneath. I am calling the concept behind this the persistent context framework. The idea is straightforward. Your AI stops starting from zero every time you open a new tab. Instead, it carries your business context automatically across every Google tool you use throughout your day. That shift from isolated AI to connected AI is the real unlock here. Let me walk you through how this plays out in real work. The concept is easy to understand, but the implications hit different once you apply it to something you do every week. Think about a real deliverable in your service business. A client wants a written overview of a project, what was delivered, what it cost, and what comes next. Normally, you are hunting across 3 different places: emails, documents, a spreadsheet someone sent. You gather it, paste it together, and explain it all to your AI. Then you finally get some output. With Gemini Workspace Intelligence, you skip all of that. You tell Gemini what you need, you point it at the relevant files and email threads. It pulls from Drive and Gmail simultaneously and builds the output. Without you having to explain a thing, no copy-paste, no hunting, no pre-brief. Now here is one specific feature that makes this possible. And honestly, this one surprised me. Inside Google Drive, Google has introduced a feature called projects. Think of it as a curated knowledge base for one specific client or area of your business. You create the project and add the documents that belong to it. Add the relevant email threads as well. From that point on, Gemini works only from that material. It stays focused on exactly what you gave it. If you have ever used Notebook LM, the structure will feel familiar. The key difference is that this lives natively inside Drive, and it connects to your live Gmail inbox. So you are not just referencing uploaded files. You are referencing real conversations with real clients, updated as new emails come in. Most people never realize how much time they lose just moving information between tools. Projects closes that loop without any complicated setup. Stay with me, because what is happening inside Gmail is where this gets really practical. Google is rolling out an AI inbox feature that reads your incoming messages and organizes them automatically. It sorts what you receive into 2 categories: things that need action from you, things you simply need to be aware of. Not every email demands a reply. Not every thread belongs on your mental to-do list. Gemini does that triage before you open the first message of the day. I remember feeling completely overwhelmed when I first tried to juggle client communication and my own business. It was a lot to hold at once. A system that handles this automatically would have saved me weeks, honestly. Inside Gmail on Workspace accounts, you can also bring Gemini directly into the Compose window. It does not just look at the single thread you are in. It pulls context from across your entire workspace. So when it helps you write a reply, it already knows the full picture. Here is the twist almost nobody is talking about yet. You can load a custom gem directly into Gmail. A gem is a pre-configured AI assistant built around a specific task. Negotiating rates, handling onboarding, following up on unpaid invoices. You build it once. After that, you load it and it already knows the job. That is a real upgrade for anyone managing client relationships at volume. Let's talk about one more piece before we get into the money side of this. Inside Sheets, you can now pull up Gemini and have it build a canvas from your data. A canvas is an interactive visual dashboard built directly from your spreadsheet. Same numbers, same data, but laid out in charts and summaries that communicate clearly to a client. This is one of those small things with a big practical impact. It takes reporting work you are already doing and makes it look polished. No extra design time required. And honestly, clients notice the difference, even when they cannot say exactly what changed. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is who benefits most from the persistent context framework inside Gemini Workspace Intelligence right now. Let me make this concrete with a quick example. Say you are a freelance operations consultant handling 3 active clients. Every client has their own drive folder, their own email chain, their own project status. Right now, when a client asks for a written update, you spend 30 minutes just gathering information before a single word gets written. With Gemini Workspace Intelligence, you set up a project and drive for each client, you add their files and relevant email threads. When the request comes in, you ask Gemini to pull a summary from those sources. It does it in minutes, you review it, adjust anything you need to, and send it. That is the same deliverable delivered 3 times faster. Clients notice when you respond like that. It changes how they perceive your value and how likely they are to keep paying you. For consultants who write proposals regularly, this is a direct win. The information you need already lives in Drive and Gmail. Gemini Workspace Intelligence connects it automatically. Building a proposal stops being an hour of prep and becomes a few minutes of review. Agency owners managing ongoing accounts will feel this one immediately. Monthly reports, performance recaps, scope updates, any multi-source document gets faster. That speed becomes either more capacity or more margin. And solo creators managing their own brands, here is the thing. Your research, your drafts, your notes, your client conversations all live in projects. You stop losing time digging through old threads. Back when I was starting out from my brother's garage, I did not need more ideas. I needed a system that could hold information. So my brain was not the only place it lived. Gemini Workspace Intelligence is that system. It is already inside the tools most people are using every day. This is not a complex setup. If your business already runs on Gmail and Drive, you are most of the way there. Google is rolling this out to Workspace Ultra and Pro subscribers first. Broader access is on the way. Picture your workflow 30 days from now. The persistent context framework running in the background throughout your day. Less time briefing, less time gathering, less time explaining your own business to a tool that should already understand it, and more time doing the work that actually earns. That is where Gemini Workspace Intelligence is pointing. And the window to get ahead of this is open right now. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.